this video is mainly just to show you guys how I do my brows. So first things first, we're gonna brush them, and I need to move makeup brushes. So if you want to bless me and be a blessing, I'll add my wish list down below and you can purchase them for me. I don't need a lot. You don't have to go get the Morphe palette and all of that. You don't have to do that. Just, you know, my wish list on Amazon. But anyway, so we use what we got. So y'all, here I'm just use this brush. Y'all got my little mirror right here. I'm gonna use this brush to, I'm talking about my wig. I messed it up. Not too much on my hair, not too much. But I want to use this to brush them up. I use these little pencils. I have a whole bunch of them. It's like, I don't know, a lot of them in the pack. And I use it to basically like shape up my tail of my eyebrows until I go get them done. So since we've been saving money and they ain't been spending money, we're going to just edit them at home, fill them in, the errors. So I'm gonna take this pressed powder and I'm going to use it to like dry the oils out of my brows, if that makes sense. I just feel like my eyebrow pencil go on better when it's dried out, if that makes sense. I don't know if that makes sense. But so that's that. Alright, so I'm going to use two different eyebrow pencils. Both of them came from the Dollar Tree. This one is brown, which is my everyday one. But like when I'm trying to like give a little because all I'm doing is my brows, which is most of the time the only thing that I'm doing, is I use the black one. So I'm gonna use both of these to show you. So I'm gonna sharpen them, and the pencil sharpener comes from the Dollar Tree too. It normally comes with the pencil. First thing I'm gonna do is just like fill in the end. So this is what I mean when I be saying that I need to clean up my brows with the eyebrow pencil. But I'm not gonna do that right now. So,
you make it better like that. Don't think I fit in at this party.
This is the old way.
Everyone's got too much to say. I always feel like I'm nobody.
This is how it's looking. And this, I know it look dark. That's another reason I don't use the black heavy, but it's gonna all come together. So now I'm gonna take the brown one and sharpen it. I like mine really sharp, even though I like it sharp. I like it sharp. Now mind you, something that I had to teach myself, your brows are siblings. They're not twins. Even if they were twins, they fraternal. Okay, they're first cousins. Their mom is twins. I don't know what to tell you. But don't come for me if my brows is not matching. So you're gonna take the brown and kind of go into the black. And something else I do is I take my brush and I kind of brush them in to help fill them in. So I have a million colors of LA fit me, whatever. So I'm going to use, because I think I'm out of the color that I want to use. So here I have a fun here, and then I have dark cocoa, mahogany, and then toffee. So I think I'm gonna use toffee to fill in, because I just want to lift it, but I don't, since I'm only doing my brows, I don't want it to be too bright, which kind of makes me, when I wish I had some foundation, I would fill it in with my foundation, but yeah, I got a hole in it, so I just used the hole instead of taking the lid off. I think I'm going to mix this cocoa brown color to like, because it's like an everyday look, because I will fill my brows in and won't do nothing else. Brows and some mascara. So I start back here where it really needs to be cleaned up, and I just kind of follow the little natural pattern I was going for. And yes, I make mistakes, but I go back and fix it after, because technically I just erased it. But I'm gonna bring it down over my lid. And again, this is just what I do. This is what I do. I don't know what you're doing, and I'm not a MUA. Okay, I'm not. I just do my makeup at home. That's it. That's it. Don't get into all the technicals in my comments saying what you do and why I did it wrong. This is what works for me. It might not be all the way right, but this is what works for me. Now, this side lighter than this side because I didn't mix it well enough with the mahogany color. And I kind of just use what's on the brush. I don't know what this brush called either. I just used this one because the other one like messed up or dirty or lost or something, because I was taking it out of town and losing them and leaving them, and yeah, I don't know where it's at. But right here is kind of where we're going. We're gonna go back in with my black and fill my tail back in, and then we're gonna clean it up. So I'm just gonna use mahogany to do the top. And I'm using that same brush with the same residue that's on it. This is kind of where it's at with it. I'm gonna best use one of my little brushes and I'm gonna blend it all in everywhere. Okay, so I'm gonna take this Julia palette to darken all the lightness around my brows, if that makes sense. I hope that makes sense. I don't feel like it makes sense, but I can't explain it because I'm not a makeup guru. I don't know the words and stuff. But I think I'm going to use this one to start it off. I don't know where we're going with this. But actually, I just need to pat it. And then you can start seeing the difference. Like this still shiny, and then this is not. So like that's kind of like what I mean when I say bring it all together. So I'm just use this color to hold on, I just got a notification. It's weird. Hold on. Okay, so I'm gonna just keep patting that in to to bring that shine down. Then I'm gonna just take a dark color and I'm just gonna keep bringing the color down. I kind of want to learn how to do, I don't kind of want to learn how to do, I definitely want to learn how to do a smoky eye. So let's just play in this. We ain't got nothing else better to do. And I'm using the same brush because I don't have a lot of brushes. If you want to be a blessing. If you want to be a blessing. So I learned this trick. So it's like fill it in right here because when you contour, you're not bringing the whole face together. I want to try it. But again, I'm gonna use this color. Alright, so all you want to do is just keep patting that color onto your eyelid to dry that contour out, and then just blend it in to your liking, and that's it. Thank you so much for tuning in to another video, and I'll see you in the next one. Talk to you guys later. Bye.